All right, so here's a little another little toy that I picked up from Amazon. It's an 18650 mobile battery bank, and it holds eight 18650 batteries to create a total of 30,000 milliamp hours, which is insane. You can charge your mobile devices, laptop, God knows how many times. But this is great for survival. Not only that, it's got batteries. I mean, it's got once you install the batteries, you can turn all these lights on. It charges super fast. The case seems to be rugged enough to drop. I'm not sure if it's. I doubt it was waterproof, but you can always keep it in the bag, in a plastic bag, and all you gotta do is just make sure you have a few 18650 batteries laying around. Every time I find old laptops hanging around, I take the battery packs out and I save the batteries. 9 out of 10 times the batteries are still good. I test them out and they all measure 2 volts and up. So all these batteries are all working, been tested, and they're all working. And I have a ton of them back in the shelves in there. So let me throw them on here. You can see. So this is what the bank looks like with the new batteries in. Well, they're not new; they're used, but they're all in good condition. These are, I believe, these are LGs, I believe. These are oh, I forgot what them. I think they're Panasonics or something like that. No, these are Sanyos. These got 1%. I gotta charge it. It'll probably charge overnight. So it does have a little weight to it, not that much. I don't have a little scale here to weigh them, but it is what it is. It's like I said, it's got a whopping. You can see right here. Once all the batteries are in, they got a 30,000 milliamp hour. So you can charge your cell phone for days. You can even plug in a couple of LED USB light bulbs that you can run for days and days on a charge. You can also add a portable solar charger, a 20 watt, maybe like a Sun Jack or a Swokie, and you can charge this in a couple of hours during the day with sunlight, and you have pretty much infinite power. You can charge cell phones, laptops, your GoPros, your drones, your laptops, whatever it is you need to power up. So again, this is pretty this is a must-have for your survival bags. See, like I have up there, I have my survival bags up there. This is gonna go up there in that one. I'm gonna put it away and save it in that one. So yeah, $5 on Amazon. I'll post up a link to the bottom. I'm gonna probably get a few more because, like I said, I have a bunch more batteries up in the shelf there. So get those packed up and get them moving again. All right, so this is the I think it's made by a company called Dreamit. I'll put the link on the bottom. You can check it out yourself. All right, so it's charging right now. You can see what's coming in. It's 5 volts at 1 amp. So hopefully by tomorrow morning it'll all be charged up. We'll be good to go. Okay, so here you go. You can see right here. You can see right there that it's up to 11%, and it's only been like less than a half hour or so. So the pack is holding charge. So I'm hoping that within a couple hours it'll be fully charged. So far it looks like it's working. All right, so my battery pack is done. You can see right here, up to a full 100% charge from 1% that I started. Now it took me about a little over 36 hours to fully charge this. Now again, mind you, it was down to 1%. So it took well over a day and a half to fully charge. And the good thing about it is I got lucky and it's holding a charge. Usually the batteries are not working, you see it start to drop rapidly. It'll start to drop 1, 2, 3, 9, it'll drop 10% within a half hour. So it's holding charge. It's been at 100% since yesterday morning. So it turned out pretty good. Again, I picked up this case on Amazon, excuse me. And I got it for $5. I'm gonna post the link on the bottom for you to check it out yourself. You do have to get your own 18650 cells, but even if you wanted to buy them on Amazon, it's still a good deal. Sometimes you can pick up an LG or a Sanyo or a Samsung, depending on who sells them. You can pick them up for as low as $2 a piece, which is a hell of a deal. and you got yourself a battery bank here that you can throw in your bug out bag. You could take it out into the woods with you, and it's good for overall survival. You know, part of your arsenal in the survival. So this again, this is for me. You know, you can try something else, but this is what I chose. Again, this has the strobe lights up front. It's got a dimmer, then it's got a strobe. It's got I forgot. I can't really. The camera can't pick it up. But one is 2.0 and the other one is 1.25. Fast charger. It's got dual USB ports here. And these are the specs in the back. Again, I'm gonna post the link on the bottom. You can look it up yourself.